Maybe you've seen this drone at least once, the MQ-25 Stingray. Well, there are some fresh updates about it. On April 25th, Boeing and the US Navy successfully completed a very important flight for the development of this platform. The mission lasted about 2 hours, and during this time the aircraft performed several maneuvers and checks to validate its basic flight systems. Please note that this is not a fully autonomous aircraft and still requires ground support. In fact, the connections with the ground control station were tested. This event represents a key step toward the actual deployment of the drone on board aircraft carriers. A scenario so far limited to demonstrations and prototypes, which are probably the ones you've seen up to now. Mind you, the path is less straightforward than it seems. We'll get there step by step. Let's take a step back because the path, as mentioned, that led to the current configuration of the Stingray has been marked by several changes. I'll simplify it for you, but the US fleet's interest in a carrier-based drone dates back to 2006 when the U-Class program was launched. Originally, the project called for a low observability aircraft, or if you prefer stealth, capable of penetrating enemy air defenses and carrying out attack missions. In 2012, the requirements were changed, steering the system toward reconnaissance missions. As is tradition for US programs, 4 years later, in 2016, there was another change of direction, with the fleet deciding to focus on a platform with a primary capability of